Hi guys, question 6. Welcome back to Brace Shortcuts. This is about rotigotine patches. So what's happened is a patient is taking levodopa. They've then been changed to rotigotine patches. We've now got to calculate the dose. So with this question, it's very important to keep an eye out for levodopa, whether it's standard release or whether it's modified release. They also won't tell you what COMT inhibitor is in the exam, so you must know your COMT inhibitors. Just make sure you have the right dose for the levodopa, the right dose for the dopamine agonist. In this case, there's no dopamine agonist. So let's go through the question. I've color coded it for you. So step 1 is in yellow because we need to use the yellow section. We need to use a dose, which is 100 milligrams twice a day. So 200 milligrams. However, I've underlined it for you. If a patient is taking controlled release cinema, then we need times by 0.7. Now, timesing that by 0.7 will give us 140 milligrams. So for step 1, you get 140 milligrams. So that is step 1. Step 2, we need to calculate the equivalent dopamine agonist dose. So for the step, in this question, that doesn't apply because the patient is only taking Cinemet CR, and that does not contain a dopamine agonist. So therefore, step 2, which is B, is equal to 0. Now we need to calculate step 3, which is the LADD. I've done that for you in blue. So we need to use what we got from step 1 and step 2, and we need to times that by 0.55. That will give us 77. So 77 is in red. That is our adjusted LEDD. So from there, we need to use a red part. I don't quite have a pink highlighter or a pen in my app, so I'll use red. So we need to calculate the adjusted LEDD. We need to divide that by 20. I've underlined that for you. So you must know your way around this resource. It'll make things so much easier in the exam. 77 is what we have. We need to divide that by 20. That will give us 3.85. Last but not least, the most important step is we need to calculate the equivalent dose of rotigotine patches in milligrams per 24 hours to the nearest 2 milligrams. Now we need to give our answer to 2 milligrams. So 3.85 becomes 4. Our answer 4 is correct because it's in milligrams and it's to the nearest 2 milligrams. Thanks, guys. Hope you found that useful. Question 7 coming soon.